subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from Tech Soul blog.
Just a few days back, Xiaomi smartphone codenamed Mi 6X was spotted on TENAA listing. The phone is expected to launch in a global market as Xiaomi Mi A2, the successor of the already launched budget Android smartphone Mi A1. Today, more detailed specifications of the upcoming Xiaomi device have surfaced online. The leaked specification sheet confirms some of the already rumored specifications, including a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The phone comes powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 626 chipset clocked at 2.2 GHz. The chipset would be combined with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage that can be further expandable via microSD card. The phone will arrive in a market based on the Android Oreo 8.1. Talking about the camera, the smartphone will have 20 plus 8 megapixel dual camera setup on the rear with a relatively big aperture of f1.8. On the front, the phone will support a 20 megapixel selfie sniper. Under the hood, the device comes with a 2910 mAh non-removable battery, which is similar in capacity compared to its previous model. The fingerprint scanner will be placed on the rear panel. So, what do you guys think of the Xiaomi Mi 6X or Xiaomi Mi A2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel Tech Soul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.